we're at this little river here in Winnipeg, and we're gonna go fishing and see if we can catch something. It broke.
I know how to.
Whoops.
Oh, you still got him.
Fishing rod, eh?
Still got him.
Careful, it's really muddy there, buddy.
Yeah.
You gotta put the net in the water and just pull the fish into the net. Don't try and scoop the fish.
Oh, bad. It's a good one.
Yeah, pull out, you gotta scoop there. Hey, whoa, a drum of silver bass, eh? That's
a drum.
Is it?
Yeah. Beckett, like right now, just caught this drum/silver bass. It's pretty nice catch. I was just up there, and he was getting bites, and all of a sudden his reel just came off, and we realized it was still on, so he reeled it up.
Beckett, get the net.
Dad, it's right up here.
It's a carp. It's a carp.
Woo! We got it! So I just caught this carp. It is super heavy, and I thought it was a catfish at first, but it came to be a carp, and this is one of my first carps I've ever caught. So, really nice fish. So, do you want to go? I see you. I just caught a drum, and it's pretty small, and it's starting to kind of slip out of my hand while I'm holding it, but no, it's keeping.
Another one.
Bring them in. Beckett, go over there. Go. Caught another one. Beckett caught that, not me. So, Beckett, I thought this was a drum, but it's actually a carp, a smaller one of mine, and it was a pretty good catch. And he says it's really heavy, and so I caught 2 fish and he caught 2 fish. So it's been really good so far. We might come here again, maybe. So it was a great day fishing here today. We caught lots of fish, as you can see, and we had a really fun time, and we might come here again. And so thank you guys for watching this video. We're gonna come out with more adventures soon, maybe hunting a bear. Make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button if you're not already. We'll see you guys in the next adventure. Bye.